Electromagnetic theory. I will discuss today electromagnetic theory. What is electromagnetic theory? So we can say electromagnetic theory is the study of charge. Only study of charge. Once again, I repeat, electromagnetic theory is the study of charge. So study of charge. So we must remember what is charge. Charge is a property of material which can attract or repel the other charges. So there are two types of charges. In my last lecture, I discussed electron because electron has negatively charge and proton has positively charge. But here we will discuss electromagnetic theory and it is the study of only charge. Charge has two types. So what is electromagnetic theory? Electromagnetic theory is the study of the charge. Like here, in case of we study three types. First one is when electron at rest. When electron at rest, known as electric field. Electric field. When charge at rest, known as electric field or electrostatic, known as electrostatic. Once again, I repeat, when charge at rest, also known as electrostatic first. When second condition, when charge moving with constant velocity. When charge or electron moving with a constant velocity, this known as magnetic field. Magnetostatics, magnetic field or magnetostatics means magnetism, also known as magnetism. When charge at rest, known as electric field or electrostatics. When charge moving with a constant velocity, also known as magnetic field, magnetics or magnetism. When charge moving with acceleration, charge moving with acceleration and not constant velocity, also known as electromagnetic theory. Electromagnetism, also known as electromagnetism. When charge at rest, also known as electrostatics or electric field, when electron moving with a constant velocity, not acceleration, this is known as magnetism or magnetic field. When charge moving with acceleration and not constant velocity, when charge moving with acceleration, also known as electromagnetic theory. So, whole physics in case of electromagnetic theory, there are three ways to study: electrostatics, magnetism, and electromagnetic theory. This is the example of electromagnetic theory are known X-ray. The study of Coulomb law and Gauss law study here, electrostatic theory, Coulomb's law and Gauss law. When electron moving with a constant velocity, so there is the Biot-Savart law and magnetic field produced by the current, and electron moving with the acceleration, the study of the X-ray and electromagnetic theory. So in my lecture I will explain one by one electrostatics, magnetism and electromagnetic theory. This is also known as modern physics. So we must remember electromagnetic theory is a very important part of the life and we start many number of branches in engineering, not only engineering but also medical field. So this is the study of only charge. So we should know what is charge. Charge is a property of material. There are two types of charge. First one is positive charge, second one is negative charge. And complete department electromagnetic theory is study of the charge, not positive or negative both. So these are the three branches. First is electrostatic theory, second is magnetism, and third one is electromagnetic theory, also known as modern physics. So in my next lecture, I will explain one by one by one. Thank you.